Hi, it's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147, and for part of my IKEA craft room storage series, it wouldn't be the same without bringing at least one video, probably more, about the Kallax storage unit. So I'm in quite a small craft room, which you may have seen if you've seen my craft room tour, but I do have a few Kallax units which create my desk. So I actually have 4 of these 2x2 units, but what I've done to make them a little bit different is I've actually put them on feet. So these are the feet that you can buy in the kitchen department of IKEA, and I've used them to raise my units up, and then I have my desktop on the top. And what that means is that I can actually scrapbook standing up or sitting down on a bar stool, whichever suits me. So for this part of the tour, I thought I'd just go through the items that are classed as in the Kallax brand. So of course we've got loads and loads of different type bookcases, and they all come with these same squares. I do only have the one type in here due to having a small room. I'd love to have the big 5x5, but it's not going to happen. So to show you the different types of extras you can get, we've got the door. So you can always get a solid door, and these fit inside, and they fit in and screw into the side, and they actually have a back. Now this one is just storing albums, so it's got things like my wedding album and some different shaped albums in, but you get those. They're great for hiding away things that don't look maybe as pretty as the rest of your craft supplies. The second item that I have that they do is the drawers. Now you will see in a future video I do have a different type of drawer set in one of my other Kallax, but I do have the solid made for it drawers. Now these do take up a bit of space from your square footage, should we say, but they are definitely useful for some things. So in these I use little iris containers with my embellishments, and then for example in this one I have another IKEA tub, though this is office supplies, and that just holds my fuse. So this just stops these boxes sliding about. But I have those drawers, and I tend to use both of those at the moment for photos and or embellishments. And then the other Kallax item that I have, or half of the item, is this glass shelf with glass door. Now as you may notice, the glass door is not there. So the reason I got this was for the shelf. So what I normally have is another set of these boxes in grey on the top, and that allows me to get more storage space than if I just had these boxes on the bottom. So I thought I'd show you what that looks like if you decide not to put the glass door on, which in my case I did. So that is the Kallax unit while I shuffle back my floor. And if you have the space or the time or the inclination, if you're able to put your Kallax units on legs, they're fantastic. At the moment I currently have a couple of art bins underneath, and on some of my others I store things like trimmers or punches. It's just a great way to get an extra level of storage before you then go up and have your desktop on the top. So that's my Kallax unit and its official inserts for today. I will be going through the other insert that I've got on there, as well as what I have in my other Kallax units in future videos. But if you haven't seen these before, you're missing out on a treat. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.